With an impressive history in thermal management, Cofan is delighted to present a range of durable and high-quality fan products, built using the state-of-the-art automation and testing technologies. Offering both AC and DC fan options to OEMs globally, Cofan's fan products are being used in a variety of applications, such as in medical equipment, in servers, in transportation industry, and in home appliances. Taking pride in our innovative methods, we specialize in creating custom designs, even in smaller quantities, to meet the needs of our clients. With our head office in California, sales and marketing office in Canada, and factories located in Taiwan and China, Cofan employs over 500 trained personnel, upholding the highest level of quality and service in all the different departments. Ensuring the superior quality of raw materials, we use high-grade copper wires, wound on the stators by using a very precise, automated setup. This enables a greater electrical efficiency and a lower power consumption. Committed and diligent team members drive the success of Cofan's products, helping to fulfill all customer requirements. Rigorous product testing and looking for the smallest discrepancies, while maintaining speed, is vital to our assembly line. Cofan promises an acoustically quieter product, and so every unit undergoes a rigorous sound testing procedure, performed in a special, soundproof laboratory. By managing the quality of raw materials, assemblies, components, and services related to the production and inspection processes, Cofan promises to deliver the best fan products to all its clients. With top-class temperature-tolerant components, our fans are made to last in a high-temperature environment. Cofan houses a variety of test equipment such as a sound chamber, a drying oven, and a pneumatic tester to meet the highest technical standards in stress testing. Ingress protection testing is also performed in-house to confirm sealing and optimal performance in wet environment. We understand that the operation of these fans is critical in many applications, so ensuring that they are safe and perform up to the task is crucial for us. With a well-trained group of technicians and using automated equipment, Cofan upholds its superior standards in fan manufacturing, delivering the highest quality product with superior reliability. With the ISO 9001, ISO 14000, and TS 16949 certifications, Cofan prides itself in providing safe, reliable, low-noise, and energy-efficient fan products consistently. If you need help in choosing the right fan for your application, don't hesitate to contact us and we'll be happy to assist you. Cofan, your global thermal management solutions partner.